Press the Windows key or click on the Windows icon. Write Add or Remove Programs and open it. Click on Search and write Redistributable. Scroll down. If after the 2013 redistributable you have another redistributable but you don't have the 2015 one in between, then make sure to uninstall these two more recent redistributables. Click on Show More Options and click on Uninstall. And click on Uninstall again. And do the same for the other file. Open the internet. Search for Microsoft Visual Redistributables 2015. Click on Download. Select both the 64 and the 86 files and click on Download. First, run the 86 installer, agree and click on Install. Now run the 64 file, agree and install. Now go to the internet, search for Microsoft latest redistributables, scroll down. Now pay attention for the redistributable that comes after 2015. In this case, this is the latest support version, and click here. Now download the 86 file and also the 64 file. First, run the 86 file, agree and install. Now run the 64 file, agree and install. And restart your computer. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.